Hello friends, let's talk about the next topic, boundary demarcation, monumentation and surveying. The result of adjudication will provide the proof of ownership is made, the demarcation of parcel boundary and the defining corner of a parcel boundary, which is in Nepal case is a general boundary. There could be a fixed boundary approach also, so a mutual understanding which is called arbitrary boundary approach also, and then a parcel boundary is surveyed using plane table or total station. After the proper adjudication, we can demark the boundary of the parcel. It could be by establishing a peg which is derived from the fourth order. It should be like centimeter long, breadth will be 8 centimeter, and which should be kept, and it is different. If urban area, it will be a nail. Less urban area, it could be a wood peg. Such monumentation will be done. And classification are two types of a classification. These are done in agriculture and which called agriculture, and industrial or residential one. And this is done only two classification, which is there will be a committee which was chaired by chief district officer and Malpot officer and survey officer, tax officer, district development officer. The preparation of a record, the plotting work is done in case of a plane table if the plotting work and the field work will be simultaneously done in the case of the plane table. But in digital system or semi-digital system, in a total station, now the plotting will be done and the preliminary theories and the sketch is prepared in the field. The preliminary theories is the first-hand information collected on the field, and this includes description of owner, tenants, the description of legal document of land registration, land classification, land type, crops, irrigated or non-irrigated land. After this field work, completion of single sheet, try to put one word in a single sheet if it is possible. If not, then we'll use one or two or many, and the whole word will be inked and parcel numbering is done, which is in case of Nepal is free sheet parcel numbering, which like mentoring, it will make S, and the first parcel number will be given to the government and public as well as Guthi, then after only a private land. And the preparation of a record, cadastral map, field book prepared in the field after being inked and numbering the parcel. The area of each parcel is computed and fill up in the field book. It's prepared with the help of a preliminary theories and sketch or a cadastral map. Only black ink is used and no overwriting in a field book, particularly schema as specified by Department of Survey. There is linking mechanism between cadastral map and field book by a parcel number, and 7-day notification is after completion of a cadastral map and field book preparation. 7-day notification will be published. This notification can be seen in this for the if someone missed that particular date, or if there is a dispute or conflict, then they can within these 7 days, if there is any correction to be made on a land record by survey team or survey office, respective parcel owner can file complaint. The correction should be done with next 7 days after the 7-day notification. From the 8th day, 7-day notification, the first registration process is started. For those who parcel without complaint, registration started. Landowner come to the signature the field book and confirm each and every detail. It will be verified by the landowner, even by the preparing officer, and at the end by the district survey officer. So that if there is a dispute, first 15 days for all, and after 15 days, total 30 days will be there to resolve this dispute. And if this dispute is not resolved or dissolved, then they can go to the court, district court, or even Supreme Court. And if there is such land which has not been registered, we will publish that survey team will publish 21 days notice for registration, and registration work will be continuous for a few days. For full and final registration, 15 days notice is published. Within this period, the landowner or his representative will be again a call. There will be a 15 days, like 7 days notification after completing of field book and cadastral map. There will be 7 days notice. In that particular period, no one comes. Okay, then after 8th day, we will start to update and prepare a field book, and it will be verified by the owner as well as the district survey officer and survey team leader. And in that 15 days, after that 15 days, also we will publish the final output, including of 15 days to come and register your land. And it will be fine. In that 15 days, it will be fine 5 rupees per parcel. In this total 15 and 15 plus 30 days, we should resolve the conflict or the dispute of a land, and try to, if that is not resolved, then they will go to court or other. Survey office team gives a written document as a parcel blame became registered, and there is document is prepared with all registered parcel. There is contain all land ownership with particular municipality in alphabetic number. It will be sorted out. 2 copies of land ownership certificate is prepared. 1 copy officially is kept in a land revenue office as a shrestha, and 1 is given to the owner as a purja. Takes 60 to resolve this particular, if there is any conflict or any issues to be. Then after the distribution of 120 days, we will submit the document to the land revenue office and district survey office. The map, field book, cadastral map to the district survey office, and this shrestha to the district land revenue office.